Claude recently released a feature called Live Artifacts within Claude Cowork, which allows you to connect to your data sources and create customizable real-time dashboards. You can create project dashboards and reports, Gantt charts, estimate summaries, and a whole lot of other useful tools for construction. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this feature within Claude. So the first thing to understand is this is only available within Claude Cowork. So if you're not familiar with Claude Cowork, it's similar to Claude Chat, except you can link Claude to a folder on your desktop. So for example, I'm going to create a new Cowork task and I'm going to open it in a folder on my desktop where I've got a whole lot of project data. Now, this is an oversimplified example, but within my folder, I've got a cost report, program, an RFI register, some safety incidents, and a variation register. And what I want Cowork to do is to take this information and turn it into a live artifact or a dashboard of my project performance. Now, I'm simply going to say this is a folder with construction project data. Your task is to turn this into a summary project dashboard as a live artifact. What it's going to do, it's going to read the data and turn this into an artifact that will then be stored as a live artifact. Now, again, this is obviously an oversimplified example. I'm doing it to show you the feature, but you could, like if you set up your projects properly, you have the Claude MD folder, you've got a lot of your data represented as markdown files. This is going to be much more efficient and much more effective. And obviously you should put some more time into the prompt and articulating what you want in the artifact than simply saying, I want a project dashboard. But it'll probably take now 5 minutes or so to actually run and create the first draft of the dashboard. Now, the other thing I'll say is your source of data doesn't need to be within your project folder. So the second example I'm going to do when this runs is I'm going to connect it to an Airtable base where I have a lot of project performance. So for the second example, I'm going to use an Airtable base where I have all my different construction project activities on a project. It's got the activities plan start and finish dates, the actual start and finish dates, the quantity of work, and the percentage complete. I'm going to use this to create a Gantt chart. So Airtable I really like because I think it's a good way in the cloud of storing structured data. But basically, to connect different data sources, again, while this is running, I'm just using the time to explain this. You simply go to customize, you go connect your apps, and you simply search for where your data lives. So for example, if you use the Google ecosystem, you could connect your G Drive. I don't think there's many construction software within these libraries yet, but again, Airtable is one I really like to store data in. The one thing I will say, if you are looking for a workaround for connecting a lot of apps, I suggest trying to use the Zapier integration. So if you're not familiar with Zapier, it's basically a platform that allows you to connect data and move data between different apps. They've already integrated over 9,000 apps. So if you get signed up for a Zapier account, you can actually connect some of your different softwares through Zapier. And then through the Claude integration to Zapier, you can connect a whole lot of other data sources. So Claude has read all my data. It has created a project dashboard for my project. It's got my forecast versus budget. It's got my program. It's got safety. And again, this happened off one prompt. I didn't give it any instructions on how I wanted to display this. This is just the model coming up with the best way to represent this information, which is actually pretty good. Maybe you don't like things, maybe you don't like certain things, or you think certain things don't look good. Again, simply go back and forward with the model and instruct it on how to change it. But because I told it I wanted to create a live dashboard, it is stored this as a live artifact. So every time I want to access this, I connect it and I click refresh, and it will automatically go back to the source data. And if that is a project folder on my desktop, if I actually go and update something in my cost report, it will then, the next time I click sync and fix this, it will link to the source data. So it stays up to date, which is the difference between what has been in previous Claude artifacts. And again, this is only just new, so you can't really share these very easily. You can download them as a PDF, but again, I suspect there will be very soon, they'll release some more features which makes sharing and collaborating with these dashboards much more easy. Okay, so the second thing I want to do is I'm going to create a new task, and I am going to say, I'm going to show another example of using this information to create a Gantt chart. I'll say I have project status information saved in Airtable. Can you please use this to create a Gantt chart? Again, super simple application. Gantt chart is obviously a very universally understood term, so Claude will probably do a very good job at this task. But again, just taking data that already exists, this data might be tracked and stored in Airtable, and now I've got a live project schedule that all I have to do now is keep my list of tasks, the planned start and finish date up to date, and my Gantt chart will stay up to date. Super simple demonstrations, but again, they save you having to waste time inputting data into other projects or creating complicated Excel dashboards with tons of different charts and visuals that are just likely to break. So again, great use case. I suspect this is going to get a lot better when we get the ability to share these dashboards natively and we don't have to export them to PDF.